The crop tool in Adobe Photoshop is, as the name suggests, it helps us to crop our images or portions out of images. So let's go ahead and understand this tool better. The crop tool basically removes portions in an image. It's a non-destructive manner of actually removing or cropping your image. You can select the crop tool, draw a new cropping area, or drag the corner of edges. So basically we can drag the area and change the corner and the edges. Also, we have some portions for the size and proportions. So in the option bar, you can change the size. Maybe you want a fixed area that's being cropped, or you want a fixed size that's being cropped. And we can also straighten the crop. So let's move ahead and understand this tool better while we perform in Photoshop. So let's dive in. The crop tool lets me select a particular area and I can discard the other. So basically, what if I just want to select this part in my picture and I don't want this part, so I'm going to crop this tool. So I'm going to do this, come here and select my crop tool. It's here, situated here in the toolbar, or press C on my keyboard, and this is the icon that I get for the crop tool. So I can just click on my keypad or on my mouse and just drag it to the kind of selection I want. So if this is what I want, so I have this tool here. I can now move this selection wherever I want, as much if I want it till here. And also again, I just want it till the background. I want it just above her cap, so I can bring it down. So this all we could do. We could change it the way we want. Now we can also straighten the crop. I can turn the crop so I can see here. So this is my toolbar. I'm going to bring it here on the sides, and now I can rotate. So I can also rotate my picture using the crop tool if I wish to rotate. And to select the crop, if you want to go ahead with the crop, you can just press here towards on the option bar to approve, and this is to cancel. You can also press enter. Now sometimes you would realize that you want to go ahead and it's not letting you do anything because it's asking you, Photoshop, that first you want to go ahead with the crop, only then it will let you. You can also change the grid view. You can have a triangle like this. You can have a triangle. So you can change the grid view. You can have diagonals, so the way you want. But I like this, the original, the grid one, or the rule of thirds. This is the one that I like. Now, we can, just cancel it for now. We can also have fixed ratios from here. So this is where I get my ratios from. If I have 1 by 1 square, it's going to give me a 1 by 1 ratio square. I can go with, pixel sizes the way I want. There's something that I have. I can also have a new crop preset. If there's particular size pictures that you're looking into, you can go and preset your new crop. And once your crop is done, so now this will go according to the ratio. I selected a ratio. And now once you're done, you can press enter and you can have your cropped image. So let me just do a fit in on the screen. So I'm going to do Z. I'm going to come to this tool and do a fit screen. So this is my cropped area which I've cropped, and I removed the necessary part, and this is picture ready. Thank you. Stay tuned with Tutorials Point.